tell me that you will be adding additional explanation. Therefore, according to you, you will be using extension. Do you still remember?
Pleasant morning to all of you. I am David Morales, here in front to present my own report about how to save our planet by using extemporaneous method. Our planet is in great danger. For the last 100 years or so years, the people of Earth have wasted and wasted the natural resources of Earth. Several plans have been developed to stop the abuse of Earth. Some of these plans I will discuss in this essay, many of which can be executed by anyone. Environmental problems have become so complex that many individuals feel they cannot do on them. Problems like oil spills, hazardous waste, loss of rainforests, endangered species, the acid rain, the ozone layer, and the municipal waste crisis can be out of our control. At the very least, these problems require group and corporate action or government intervention. However, there are some things that individuals can control. Our waste reduction and recycling activities can make a difference. That's why so many communities began voluntary recycling programs. There are some household items that are dangerous if we just throw away with the regular garbage. These items can damage the environment and injure plant and animal life. Some of these may include mothballs, spot removers, aerosol cans, fluorescent light tubes, and shoe polish. Your local waste management agency has an information on how to properly dispose these items. Compost bin may be set up in your yard. Compost bins return plant and sampled materials to soil through decomposition, so it can be used as natural soil additive called compost. Compost improves soil textures, and increases the ability of soil to absorb oxygen and water. Compost also suppresses weed growth and reduces the need to add chemical and pesticides to the plants, which may be harmful to our environment. Keeping recycled bins in a kitchen may help to stop people from accidentally throwing in the trash an item that could have been recycled. Some recyclable items include glass, paper, and most types of metals. We want to be sure that glass, paper, and metals are all separated into different bins. Once these bins are full of recyclable materials, they can be given to your local recycle center. Solar panels are a series of mirrors that transform sunlight into solar energy. Solar energy can help heat water and power appliances. Solar energy is a great source of clean and non-polluting energy. The home is not only the place where the people can pitch in and help the environment. School playgrounds may use recyclable materials for play equipment and to make the playground safe for the children. All jumper types can be made into a recreation area where kids can crawl in and out. Sport coaches may also use all jumper types by having the kids run through them to test the kids' stamina and agility. Jungle gyms, slides, and swing sets can be made from recycled metals. This is what we call the recycled art angle. We can see this sign on the product that could have been recycled, like glass, plastics, and paper. Glass. Clear glass is the most recyclable, followed by colored glass, mixed glass, and broken glass. Glass with different types should not be combined when recycled, because different types are recycled in different ways. Next is plastic. Plastic. Some types of plastic are recyclable while others are not. Manufacturers make it easier to distinguish recyclable plastics by imprinting recycled arrow triangle. Generally speaking, the more recyclable the item, but you may want to contact your local plant to determine which item will be processed and which will be thrown out. The last is paper. Paper is perhaps the most recyclable product. Environmentally conscious consumer can purchase paper made from recycled pulp. The label of recycled paper can mean that only 1% of the pulp was recycled. Example of glass, of recyclable glass, bulbs and window mirror. Example of recyclable plastic hanger, plastic bottle, and plastic cup. The example of recyclable paper is made cartons, corrugated cardboard, and newspaper. That's all for my oral report. Thank you.